Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the UGC official public notice to the MPhil or the PhD candidates regarding the extension of their submission of thesis. So let us see the details regarding this public notice. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is a University Grants Commission public notice released on 16th March 2021. So the subject of this notice is that extension of dates for the submission of thesis for terminal MPhil or PhD students. That means the candidates who are at the end or else wedge of their PhD or the MPhil program. Okay, so for this one, the submission of the thesis last date is extended. Okay, so it was extending from the past few months due to the corona in the last year. Okay, so in continuation to the UGC public notice dated 3rd December 2020 on the above mentioned subject, and keeping in view the larger interest of research scholars, a further extension, that means already did the extension. So regarding that one, UGC released one public notice on 3rd December 2020, and due to the larger interest of the research scholars, so once again the 6 months the submission of the thesis is extended by the University Grants Commission. So up to 30th 6 2021. Okay, so a further extension of 6 months beyond 30th 6 2021, that is till 31st December 2021 for submission of the thesis by MPhil or the PhD students may be granted by the universities. Okay, and the extension of 6 months as mentioned above may also be granted for submitting evidence of publication and presentation in 2 conferences. However, the tenure of fellowship will be up to 5 years only. That means the fellowships will be given up to 5 years. There is no extension of that one. But your submission of the thesis for MPhil or the PhD, okay, it is extended till 31st December 2021. And it depends upon the individual university's decision, guys. Because UGC left the decision that the universities can able to extend up to 31st December, and your individual universities or decides that which date might be the last one. Okay, so please check with your concerned universities. Okay, this notice is especially for the candidates who are in the end of the MPhil or the PhD. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues, okay, who requires this information. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide